The show starts in 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, my name is Luke. This is Eli. Welcome back to another video. And today we have been collecting up sets. We've been really busy with homework, so we haven't been as consistent.
And thank you for all of you for the subscribers, because before we were only at like 8. And now we're at like 25.
So
Thank
please
you.
continue hitting that subscribe button, and be sure to press the like button, turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. And let's get to building. So these are our Lego sets we have, and these are his. And we are going to be building these and just putting them together. So let's begin.
So what I have up first is this Captain America superheroes car.
Yeah.
So let's get into it.
What I have is Ultron's, more of like, same thing as Eli's, Ultron's car.
Okay, really cool. That's a cool character we got there.
Thanks, man.
And I also, for one of my builds, I have an Aquaman and Dr. Freeze.
Dr. Freeze, Mr. Freeze.
Sorry,
It's fine, it's fine.
I'm not that good at it.
Pronunciation. It's fine. Tire rolls away.
No.
I don't know why he has this little visor thing, but I guess it's fine.
I mean, that maybe armor.
Okay. Oh, I didn't even notice this piece. So wrench, she's gonna conk you on the head with a wrench.
Well,
I don't know why I
I
did
figured
that.
this out, but
Figure what out?
this.
You're not even there yet.
Okay. I did not see that.
You really think they're just gonna give you this right off the bat?
Maybe.
Oh my goodness.
And here I have Kid Captain America. Or it might not
I
be.
don't really know if you consider that a kid.
Look.
He's short, but like,
I
I
mean,
don't think Captain America became like who he was when he was a kid.
yeah. And also, I don't think kids are allowed to drive cars.
That's also true. And you don't think that. That is truly like.
Okay, so
How's he supposed to fit in here?
maybe later you have to. Maybe he stands up.
It's kind of weird.
Wait.
Who stands up while they're driving? It's like, hey, I'm driving.
That would be funny. Did you just touch my Captain America?
Yes.
How dare you? Okay, so right now I have this part of the car. I don't really know what it is, but
The base of the car. Without even looking, I can use my telekinesis to know what you're building. I don't know if that's what telekinesis does, but it's okay.
that's not. I know what telekinesis means. It means moving things with your mind.
Oh, wait, I missed a piece. No. Your tire's running away from you.
Where? Oh.
Blending in with its surroundings. Tires are evolving. Soon they will take over the world. There's another one.
I don't know why when I left I snort. Like I go like I know. I'm really weird.
Just build.
Okay.
Judge no tanks.
So, where's... Ah! Forgot that I put these here. Okay, so next...
You didn't. Ooh, the AT... that thing. I forgot what it's called. It's like AT something.
Microfighter.
Oh, wow. No, that's the brand. I don't know what that is. So. I have no idea.
Same. Okay, so now I pull this out. This guy was pre-made. And I have to only do it. Okay.
Oh, instructions are spazzing out. Quick. I
Okay,
think I made
so
a mistake.
I have this thing, and I don't even know what it is. Isn't that really good, Lucas?
What? Already? That fast?
I don't know what this thing is called.
You dropped your instructions over here.
I don't need it.
Well, you don't drop the instructions just because you don't need it. Okay, I got my speedy guy. Flash.
Please. No. Flash. I am Flash. Hello.
Weren't you always there?
No.
I'm confused.
Oh, you kidding?
Oh!
Because I'm Flash.
This instruction is gonna know.
Lucas. I'm Flash, your friendly neighborhood Flash.
Wouldn't it be your friendly neighborhood lightning? Zaps people?
Zap. Whenever he touches someone, handshake zap. That would be funny.
Okay, first. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Good. Oh, okay. What happened?
I fell.
Ooh-wee. It glows in the dark. Ooh-wee. Yay. Wait, where's the armor? There it is.
Okay, so right now I have this part, but I don't know.
Oh, I forgot his hair.
Wait. It's this? That's how it's supposed to go. I'm gonna go.
Do something. Okay. Batman? Superman. Oh. And also the cool thing is that this Batman head is glow in the dark, which I really like, and we'll show you that in a bit. And I like how it comes with this little pad where it makes it Superman jump through the air. Oh.
Crash into Flash's girl. Face plant.
Wow.
I don't know how I can't find this piece,
What
but
piece?
one of these. Oh. I don't know how I didn't see that.
I don't know either.
Same. Both of us don't know.
I get them.
Okay, so right now I have this where he sits. In the back, this is nope, wrong page. This is what it's supposed to look like when I'm finished. So yeah, I was right. This is where he is supposed to sit. So, yay. Did you just hit me? Did you just hit me?
Yes, for a reason though.
Next page. Already did that. Oh, I haven't done it on this side. Bippity boppity. Your house is my property.
In a million light years it is.
How much is a light year?
The time that light travels, pretty much.
So
Make it simple for you. Just the time that light travels.
I get it.
Yeah, exactly. Times a year. It is a light year. At least I'm pretty sure. Not good.
So, let's build.
Yep.
And also, because we lost the instructions for this one a long time ago, I'm going to have to use the iPad, and I went online and then I searched the Lego set, and then I have to use this.
What I have is a Jeep with a Falcon and Black Widow and White Cross. It's really cool.
And what I have is a Batman and a Catwoman. Catwoman. I don't really know. Well, Catwoman. Well, Batman chasing Catwoman. Let's just say that. Okay, and right now she's stealing a gem. Okay, I'm trying to pick her pieces. Yeah, I will. Ooh. Okay, so she has a little motorbike. That's cool. Ram! No!
Don't know. You can fall.
Ram! No! This is really fun. Okay. But it can't stand up. Okay, and that's really cool how she has a motorbike. And at first when I looked inside the pack, that this looked like some sort of like rocket launcher. You guess?
Oh my
Rocket launcher. Bang.
Can't find the legs.
For what?
Black Widow. Oh, here they are.
I saw them instantly. I was about to grab them, but then you just say, "Oh, found them." Okay, and I also have a Batman, like I mentioned. Oh. just like a little chase of Catwoman. Batman's flying with his jetpack. And then yeah. Next build. The Hulk.
Car.
Yes. Or Lucas. Oh. You know what? Okay. So I'm building my whole thing. And
I don't know if this is a mistake or not, but it says that I need to put the steering wheel here, but it seems better if I put it here, but for some reason it says put it right here. Strange.
yes, it is.
Meh.
Yeah. Nah. Okay, so I finished this. Okay, so I finished my Hulk. And it actually drives pretty well, but not like these. Those don't drive too good. But this one goes straight where I want it. So sometimes it can drive pretty bad. Okay, crash. Okay, and now I'm on to my next build, which is an Aquaman versus Mr. Freeze.
With Batman.
Yes. It's a big build, so I'm gonna have to.
Oh.
But. Are you missing a piece or something?
Okay, somehow these are all extra pieces.
Oh my. A lot of extra pieces. Okay,
What is this? And now, oh. And I finished me tank. It broke.
Okay, so now I'm on to this, like I talked about. The Mr.
Freeze vs Aquaman.
and Batman. 2v1. So I'm not too sure if Batman's gonna fight.
Goodness gracious.
Or, yeah. Just okay.
When I heard that, I was scared because I thought you dropped them.
I thought I dropped some, but I didn't. Okay, so 2 bodies. This head. I'm gonna start making the character first. No, I'll show you how to do it. Go with this. Yeah, that makes sense.
There isn't things on the other side.
Oh, I made a mistake.
Goodness. Eli.
Wait, can I have it? Now it's good.
Oh, here, let me go.
Got this. I'll put it on. Where are these supposed to go?
I got it. Okay, pass me. Well, and then Eli goes like this. Eli, look.
Oh. Oh, Lucas. Wait, Lucas. There's something that I want to try. Bombs.
How does this not fit anymore? Oh, there you go.
Okay, so I don't really know. In the picture, it shows that if you push here, then the bomb, these things will come off. But I have to go like, I have to go like that. I have to use my finger like that, not push.
Okay, wait. Let me look at it, okay? Because I feel like you got it wrong and you just don't know how to do it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's exactly what you're supposed to do. Like this. Oh, wait. It's like the bombs aren't supposed to be tilted. And all you do is it's like that's all you're supposed to do.
Because it was planted. Okay. And next page is just all
Done. Next page is done.
Batman 2 DC superheroes. What?
It's really old.
What?
It's old.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So we're done. And this is really cool. The only reason I don't have the white Batman because this set is really old and we lost his body and his cape. So
Okay,
we
Eli,
just
you
have
can go
to
through
replace it.
You can go through your characters first, and then I'll go through mine.
No, you go through
Okay.
yours first.
So
Or
what I have here is Boba Fett, and I'm suspecting that this is Quill from Mandalorian. I don't know. This is Han Solo. That's what I'm guessing, or maybe the same species. And then I have Crossbones and Falcon, and I have
Black Widow.
yes, Black Widow, and she has in her motorbike. And then I got Superman, Batman, and then I have Kryptonite set. Yeah, they're fighting. Well, it's supposed to be fighting. Oh, and then we have Flash in his car, and then I have Ultron in his car. I liked how they added the spice and they gave Flash
Speedy drink.
yeah. And another cool thing is they added this where
It's like Superman can fly. You push in the back.
Yeah.
I'll show you. I'll demonstrate.
I got it.
I'll demonstrate.
It's my set.
And then he falls off.
Not
Nice.
necessarily.
Okay. So what I have. Okay. So what I have is my. I forgot his name. Captain America.
How did you forget Captain America?
I don't know. And I also have. Wait. Oh, I brought Batman's.
Batman.
And I also. And he has this little cool tank. The only thing that I don't get is why he's going like this when he should be going like this. But I can't put him like that. This is kind of weird. Well, it is weird. Okay. So next up, I have
AT-RT.
an AT-RT. With this.
AT-AT. Oh no, AT-AT, I think. AT-AT.
And the thing I really like.
Gymnastics.
Yeah.
And then you have has,
Blast.
and then he has,
And then I have a Catwoman versus Batman. Well, not versus, but chase. Cat chase. Not rat chase.
and then he has Hulk with his chicken league.
And I also have
Mr. Freeze, not Dr. Freeze.
Balls.
And
And then this turns into a sword. Jab. Aquaman breaks out. He grabs his trident. He breaks all the ice. Then he sends Mr. Freeze back to Arkham Asylum. No. Stab. Stabby stab stab.
Wait, Eli, I think you missed a piece.
What piece?
I don't know what piece, but you missed a piece. Let me see if I can find a replacement piece. I found one. I don't know. So
What?
it says that it goes like this, and that's how it's supposed to work.
Oh, what was I missing?